What's up, DIYers, and welcome to our 9th episode of our Den Renovation series. With the cabinets finally installed, we're going to shift our focus to installing our new crown moldings. It's easier to work on the ceiling trim now that the tall cabinet is in its final location. Starting with a corner wall, we install a full-length trim and work out our way around the room. Joining corner miter cuts are sometimes tricky, so a couple of attempts might be needed before you get it right. For this wall, we're terminating our trim against the side of the tall cabinet, so we didn't need to make a return and just cut the edge against the cabinet flat. Here's a look at our current progress before we work on the final set of crown moldings. After the last set has been installed, we proceeded to start caulking the trim to polish up its look. And that wraps up our episode. Make sure to subscribe and follow us as we progress through our den renovation project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.